Hey, where are you going without closing the tap? Look here, on the tap. So much water is getting wasted. Shut the tap, please.
Oh, sorry, but you dropped? How?
Yes, I am a drop. I have to often come to life to talk to children so that I can give them information about water and tell them about the importance of saving water.
Yes, our teacher told us the same thing. I should not have left the tap open.
Yes, Raju, water is very precious. It is critical in helping us stay alive. And yet, there are places where water is not easily available, even to fulfill basic necessities. Let me show you. This village is situated in Rajasthan. There is sand all around. It is very hot here. Such a place is called a desert, and deserts suffer from severe shortage of water. See, village women around walking carrying pitchers and buckets. Do you know where they are headed? They are going in search of water. They fill water at the close by step well. Do you know what is a step well? It is a kind of well which has stairs going all the way to the bottom. This year, the rainfall was less. Therefore, the step well is also on the verge of drying up. It is very difficult to walk on the sand, Raju. The feet suffer and one has to suffer hot desert winds too. Even to collect minimum water for sustenance requires a lot of effort. Sometimes government sends water tankers to such places. When this happens, villagers ride their camel carts to reach the train and fill up as much water as possible. In this village, life becomes easier when it rains. Do you know why? Because the villagers practice rainwater harvesting. They collect rainwater on the roofs, which is brought to a tank through pipes. This tank is built by digging in the courtyard and making it pakka. This tank is kept closed with a lid, and the pipes too are covered so that dust and pollutants do not mix in the water. This water is made available to the entire village or tribe through a tap. Water scarcity is faced not just by villages but by cities too. Look here. Pushpa works in your home, right? Do you know water runs in her house only for half hour each morning? Pushpa and her brother fill up and store as much water as possible in different utensils and buckets. This water is then used throughout the day for drinking, cooking, bathing, and everything else. On days this much water is not sufficient, then Pushpa goes over to the community tap in the evening to fill more water. But there she has to stand in a long queue, and everyone has to wait for their turn to come.
Oh, people have to work so hard to get something as basic as water.
Yes, Raju, and hence saving water is critical. Now tell me, what all will you do to save water?
First of all, I will make sure I never leave the tap open. If the kitchen tap is leaking, I will ask my parents to get it fixed. I will try that I use the minimum water while bathing and brushing. I will see to it that no water is wasted.
Well done. And also reuse water. After washing fruits and vegetables with water, you can use it to water plants. The water used for washing clothes can be diverted to the toilets. Encourage your school and neighborhood areas to practice rainwater harvesting. All right? Now tell me, what all did you learn today?
I learned about the value of water. There are many villages in India where people have to travel miles to fill water. At some places, tap water is available only for few hours and hence needs to be filled and stored. People also fill water from community taps and water tankers. All of this is very difficult and hence it is important that we conserve water. Rainwater harvesting is a means to do that, and in daily chores we should be mindful that we use the least water and ensure that no water is wasted.
Very nice. Better late than never. Okay, I'm off now. Bye.
Hello everyone, welcome back in our ENV class. Now today we are going to start our new chapter, chapter 21. Let's save water. Water is life. How much ever the world develops or conduct experiments, but we cannot make water, right? So saving water is the only option for us, and right from the minute we wake up until we go to bed, we need water at every moment. So let us take the initiative to stop water from being wasted whenever we see it happening. So we must use water very carefully. Now see in your textbook, this is the story of Rajasthan. The name of village is Bajalpur. Madho is living in this small village. Here the village is hardly visible. Only sand dunes can be seen. Only when there is no sandstorms, few houses are visible. Summer, there is water scarcity in his place. This year it is worse. There is no rainfall in this area, so his mother and sister have to walk a longer distance to fetch water as the nearby pond has also dried. So each day they spend hours just to get 4 pots of water. While walking on the hot sand, their feet burns and blisters just cannot be avoided. So, people have to walk long distance for water. We here see in the desert region of Rajasthan or in many regions of Saurashtra, people need to go very far for 1 or 2 pots of water. So when people do not get enough water to drink, they suffer from various diseases. Water is sent to this place. A train carries water to the village. Seeing these villagers feel very happy. Madho's father takes his camel cart to fetch water. However, this does not happen often. People keep on waiting for days together for water. Some people collect rainwater. This is done by a special method called rainwater harvesting by making tanks. Okay, do you know what a tank is and how is it built? So, let's see. So, some people collect rainwater by a special method by making a tank, means taka, which is a deep pit made underground to collect water. To build taka, a deep pit is dug in the courtyard and it is made pakka with cement. Okay. Now the taka is kept covered with a lid. See here. Okay. And the roof of the house is made sloping. See here. So that the rainwater collected here flows through a pipe into the taka, and a sieve is attached to the mouth of the pipe so that no dirt goes into the taka, and this water is used for drinking after it is cleaned. Okay.
Okay students, so did you understand the chapter? Yes, now we are going to study choose the correct answers. See, open your workbook first of all. Yes, open page number 174. Number 1, how should we use water? हमें पानी को कैसे यूज करना चाहिए? So children, you have seen right कि हमें पानी को बहुत ही केयर से यूज करना चाहिए. अगर हम पानी को वेस्ट करेंगे तो हमें पानी की scarcity होगी. Yes or no? You have seen that many women going far away to fetch the water, carry only just 4 pots of water. Yes or no? So like this. So here we have to use with care. Okay. So here your answer will be number 1 C. Now see number 2. What is the main source of water? हमें पानी कहाँ से मिलता है? Rain में से, है ना? So it is option D. Your correct option will be D. Now see, in which vehicle does Madho's father go to fetch water? So मधु के जो पापा थे वो पानी फेच करने के लिए कैसे जाते थे? क्या लेके जाते थे? हॉर्स कार्ट, कैमल कार्ट, बुलॉक कार्ट और पुश कार्ट. So it is camel cart. So your correct option will be B, है ना? Now see number 4. For how much time is water supply reside in a day where Saroj lives. सरोज जहाँ पे रहता था वहाँ पानी कितने घंटे के लिए आता था? Only half an hour. Yes or no? So it is an option A. Now see which of the following methods is good for saving water. पानी सेव करने के लिए कौन सी मेथड सही है? Keep the tap on and have a bucket bath. Have a shower bath. Keep the tap on and have a bath. Fill the water in a bucket. Close the tap and have a bath. So it is option B, है ना? Shower bath. Sorry, it is option D. हमें bucket fill करके फिर bath लेना चाहिए. So it is option D. अगर हम shower bath लेंगे तो भी पानी ज्यादा वेस्ट होगा. अगर हम टैप ओपन करेंगे और बकेट भरेंगे और फिर टैप ओपन रहने देंगे तो that is also wasting of water. Okay, so here your correct option will be D. Now see number 6. What is the peat dug underground and made pakka with bricks, sand and cement in order to store water known as? So जो पक्का सीमेंट से वाटर टैंक बनाते हैं ना अंडरग्राउंड में, so that is टाका. It is called टाका. वाटर स्टोर करने के लिए जो टैंक बनाते हैं उसको क्या बोलते हैं? टाका, है ना? So it is in option B. So your correct option will be B. Now see, fill in the blanks. Biggest source of water is, you have already studied in choose the correct answers. Biggest source of water क्या है? Rain है ना? Now see number 2. We should make dash use of water. हमें वाटर का कैसा यूज करना चाहिए? इकोनॉमिक. इकोनॉमिक का मतलब होता है उसको अच्छे से बहुत ही केयर से यूज करना चाहिए और उसको वेस्ट नहीं करना चाहिए. So that is economical. Now see number 3. Water is dash wealth. Water कैसा wealth है? Natural wealth. हम water को produce कर सकते हैं? नहीं कर सकते, है ना? It is given to us by nature. We cannot produce it. So that is natural wealth. Now see, our dash is not possible without water. हमारी क्या possible नहीं है water के बिना? Life, है ना? Even animals and birds need water to live. Yes? So that is life. Now see number 5. We should dash rain water. Rain water का हमें क्या करना चाहिए? उसको स्टोर करना चाहिए. Yes or no? We should store rain water. Now see, right or wrong? We can stay for a long without drinking water. So it is right or wrong? It is false. Why? Because we cannot stay long for without water, है ना? We should stop the wastage of water. So it is true. Water is not needed to construct buildings. We need water, right? To mix up the sand. So that is wrong. If it does not rain, trees in forest will dry up. True. We should store rain water. So it is true or false? हमें rain water को store करना चाहिए. Yes? Repairing leakage tape in a way of saving water. हमें water save करने के लिए जो टैप में लीकेज है उसको रिपेयर जल्द से जल्द करवाना चाहिए, है ना? So it is also true. Now see shower. Match the following. देखो shower के लिए कौन सा ऑप्शन सही है? वो वाटर वेस्ट ज्यादा करता है. Next is bucket. Bucket से क्या होगा? Vessel of storing water. Now rain. Rain is a main source of water. And the last is river. River is storing water by building dams, है ना? River का water हम कैसे store कर सकते हैं? Dams build करके, है ना? तो ऐसे river में ज्यादा पानी भरा जा सकता है. Okay. Now here see children, you have to draw a water cycle. So your next is draw a water cycle. See here, water की जो साइकिल है वो कैसे होती है हमें वो सीखना है. देखो जैसे ये रिवर है. I am giving you example. Here it is a river. Yes. यहाँ पे रिवर है तो रिवर का जो पानी है उसका सन की रेज यहाँ पे पड़ रही है. This is the sun rays. ये सन की जो रे है वो रिवर पे पड़ेगी तो रिवर का पानी क्या होगा? इवापोरेट होगा, है ना? इवापोरेशन. रिवर का जो पानी है वो सन की रेज पड़ने से इवापोरेट होता है ना, सूख जाता है। यू सी समर में सारे रिवर्स और पोन्ड्स जो है वो सूख जाता है। सो दैट इज इवापोरेशन। व्हाई? क्यों सूख जाते हैं वो सब? इवापोरेशन की वजह से। एंड देन इट फॉर्म्स अ क्लाउड। व्हाट इट फॉर्म्स? क्लाउड. इट इज कॉल्ड कंडेंसेशन। पानी इवापोरेट जो होता है वो पानी कहाँ जाता है? ऊपर, और क्या बनता है? क्लाउड बनता है, which is called condensation. And you know very well that clouds bring rain. Yes or no? You see in monsoon clouds bring rain or no? So it forms a cloud and then here it brings rain, by which water is again filled in the river. Yes? So this is called a water cycle. रिवर का जो पानी है वो ऊपर जाएगा, that is called evaporation. Why it evaporates? Because of the rays of the sun. And after evaporation it forms a cloud. Forming cloud brings the rain down again to the earth. So this is our water cycle. Okay children, you clear up till here? Very good. So we will meet in the next video. Till that, bye bye. Thank you.